Calling all handymen, if you think your toolbox is complete, you might want to think again. In this video, we're revealing 15 awesome tools that every handyman should have. Whether you're fixing up your home, working on weekend projects, or handling serious renovations, these tools aren't just cool. They're smart, powerful, and designed to save you time, effort, and frustration. And tool number 10, it's so efficient, even professionals are switching over to it in 2025. Without further ado, let's get started. In tight installation spaces, precision and efficiency are critical, especially when pressing various pipe types and sizes. The Rothenberger press ring set is engineered for SHK professionals who need versatility, reliability, and speed on every job. This set covers all key profiles M, SV, TH, and U, supporting all major pipe dimensions. With a locking function that keeps the rings open, you can apply them with one hand, saving time and effort. The 180-degree swivel function ensures easy access in hard-to-reach spots like tight corners or near walls. Compatible with both standard and compact pressing machines, the set features Dura LaserTech partial laser hardening for enhanced durability and longer press cycle life. For confident, hassle-free pressing in any environment, this is the tool you can trust. When lifting heavy manhole covers, safety, adaptability, and ease of use are essential. That's where VALIFTER comes in, designed to meet the full spectrum of operational needs in the field. By combining magnetic and mechanical lifting technologies, VALIFTER ensures maximum flexibility across different surfaces and cover types. Each tool is engineered with operator safety as a top priority, ensuring proper posture, load stability, and safe working distances while minimizing magnetic field exposure. Its foldable, compact design eliminates the need for extra pins or tools, while extendable handles provide enhanced leverage, reducing physical strain. Built with premium lightweight materials for high capacity, VALIFTER devices redefine efficient and ergonomic manhole cover handling on any job site. Precise positioning and secure holding are crucial in welding tasks for safety and accuracy. The Eclipse fixed welding clamps, switchable, offer a dependable solution with a switchable magnetic function for enhanced control. These clamps, which measure 197 by 197 by 48 millimeters, have a tiny yet strong design. With a pull force of 120 kilograms, they ensure a strong grip on metal workpieces during welding. The fixed 90-degree angle allows for perfect right-angle joints, improving efficiency and consistency. Ideal for professional and industrial use, this tool simplifies complex welding setups while offering reliability and strength in every application. Reliable portable heat is essential for quick, effective electrical repairs, especially in automotive or field environments. The Soldering Iron Kit is a high-performance, cordless option for professionals who want flexibility and precision while on the road. With adjustable output ranging from 25 to 130 watts, it heats up fast and supports tasks like soldering, plastic welding, heat shrinking, and hot knife work. The push-button electronic ignition ensures easy one-handed operation, while multiple interchangeable tips expand functionality. Housed in a durable hard case, it's ideal for mobile mechanics and technicians. Built for control, the iron prevents overheating with proper use, maintaining tip quality and performance. Whether you're working on wires, automotive components, or DIY fixes, this portable soldering kit delivers snap-on reliability in every use. When precision matters, the Kapro 353 lead. Its square is more than just a tool. It's a professional edge. While a square's primary role is to verify 90-degree accuracy, The Legit Square goes far beyond. This unique square features certified 90-degree, 30-degree, and 45-degree cast handle angles, making layout and marking faster, more versatile, and incredibly precise. Its retractable metal ledge support prevents slipping during marking, a game changer for consistent accuracy. With 4 milled surfaces, edge gradations, and marking holes every centimeter, it simplifies everything from leveling and framing to detailed pencil lines. Built for durability, control, and speed, the Kapro 353 Legit Square is the ultimate layout solution for carpenters, framers, and craftsmen who demand precision on every job. In low-light repair environments, proper illumination is critical for accuracy, safety, and efficiency. That's where the Matco Tools LED Underhood light becomes essential. Whether you're working under the hood, inside a wheel well, or beneath a vehicle, this rechargeable light delivers 1,000 lumens on high and 550 lumens on low, right where you need it. With scratch-resistant, paint-safe clamps and dual-axis adjustability, it attaches securely and offers precision lighting. The quick detach design allows for handheld use with an optional pistol grip, while USB rechargeability, charge indicators, and overcharge protection ensure it's always ready to go. Compact, powerful, and incredibly versatile, this light is a must-have for professional mechanics and DIYers alike. Cutting plastic materials precisely requires a tool built for accuracy and durability. The ToughBuilt PVC Saw is expertly engineered to deliver efficient performance on a wide range of plastic substrates. It features a high-carbon steel blade that ensures longer life and straighter cuts, making every pass smooth and effective. An injection-molded handle offers maximum comfort and control, reducing fatigue during extended use. The saw also includes a metal blade housing that enhances stiffness and user control, while the built-in carpenter pencil storage in the handle adds convenience on the job. Ideal for professionals who want a strong cutting tool that is reliable, precise, and ergonomically designed. Working in tight, confined spaces requires a compact and reliable air tool for smooth fastening and loosening of bolts. The SUMAKE Minimal Air Ratchet Wrench is specifically designed for precision in such environments. It features a 3/8-inch square drive, offering a maximum torque of 54 Newton-meters or 40 foot-pounds, and a working torque of 14 Newton-meters or 10 foot-pounds. Running at a free speed of 400 revolutions per minute, it is powered by 0.3 horsepower or 224 watts. It includes a 1/4-inch air inlet and connects to a 3/8-inch inner diameter air hose. With an air consumption of 10 cubic feet per minute or 283 liters per minute and weighing just 0.48 kilograms, the SUMAKE Air Ratchet ensures performance, control, and comfort. In confined workspaces, professionals need a cordless tool that delivers precision, safety, and power. The Milwaukee Breaking Die Grinders, paddle control via one key, satisfy those requirements with enhanced functionality. Its power-state brushless motor delivers exceptional grinding performance with a variable speed range from 8,000 to 20,000 revolutions per minute, allowing users to match speed precisely to each application, from light deburring to heavy material removal. Rapid stop technology brings the tool to a stop in under 2 seconds, increasing user safety. It supports accessories up to 2 inches, ideal for surface preparation and material removal. Through one-key integration, users can wirelessly track and manage the tool. Powered by a single M18 5-amp-hour XC battery, the tool is capable of deburring up to 35 pipes. RedLink Plus intelligence maximizes both performance and durability in tough conditions. In electrical work, speed, precision, and versatility are essential, and that's exactly what the WOKIN wire stripping pliers deliver. Whether you're a professional electrician or a DIY enthusiast, this all-in-one tool simplifies your workflow by combining wire cutting, stripping, crimping, and screw rethreading in one compact design. Built with a sharp cutting edge for clean wire cuts and a push-down wire function for efficiency, it can strip 6 common wire sizes with ease. Additionally, it cuts 5 types of copper screw sizes and crimps terminals securely, ensuring strong electrical connections every time. From precise stripping to smooth crimping, the WOKIN wire stripping pliers are your go-to solution for reliable, fast, and convenient electrical work. Creating precise grooves and pipes is essential for secure and leak-free mechanical connections. The Wolff Master Groover tool is designed to meet this need with outstanding accuracy and strength. Built for professional use, it delivers consistent grooves on a variety of pipe materials, improving efficiency on the job. With its adjustable settings, it accommodates different pipe diameters, making it versatile for various applications. Constructed from high-strength components, it offers durability and long-lasting performance in demanding environments. The tool's ergonomic design ensures comfort and control, reducing operator fatigue. Ideal for use in HVAC, industrial, and fire protection systems, the Wolff Master Groover tool speeds up workflow and enhances safety, making it a dependable choice for professionals who value precision, performance, and reliability. Working safely at height requires a stable, comfortable, and tool-friendly ladder solution. The Little Giant Jumbo Step Ladder is designed to accomplish just that. With a height of 2.2 feet, this lightweight aluminum stepladder features a non-slip staircase design for extra comfort and support. Its adjustable safety handrail boosts stability while standing on the top step. The innovative top cap includes a smartphone holder, hooks, portholes, and a tool tray, keeping essentials within reach. Designed with extra-wide, slip-resistant feet, it provides a reliable grip even over grates. With a reach of 8.7 feet and a Type 1 double ANSI duty rating supporting up to 375 pounds, the Little Giant 11903 ensures portability, function, and long-lasting safety. Removing old, stubborn fasteners can be time-consuming, damaging, and frustrating without the right tool. The Kwick Gripper Nail Removal Tool, Screw, and Staple Remover is the ultimate solution to save time, money, and effort. Designed for professionals and DIYers alike, this tool is engineered to be the fastest and easiest way to extract stubborn nails, screws, staples, and nearly anything else you can get the jaws around. Built with durability and efficiency in mind, the Kwick Gripper reduces damage to surfaces while increasing speed and precision. Whether you're working on demolition, renovation, or salvage, it provides reliable performance and a frustration-free experience. Compact, tough, and versatile, the Kwick Gripper is the must-have remover that makes tough jobs quick and clean. When precision and durability are critical on the job site, the Craftsman tape measure delivers. Designed for professionals who demand accuracy, this tape measure features an extra-wide 1¼ coated white blade with large, high-contrast markings for quick, easy-to-read measurements, even in low light. With an impressive 13-foot standout, you can measure longer distances solo, while the multi-catch hook grabs material from the top or bottom for added convenience. The side lock ensures a secure hold, and the one-handed unlock feature adds speed to your workflow. Built tough to withstand daily use, the Craftsman Pro 11 tape measure is your dependable companion for accurate, efficient, and professional-grade measuring every time. Cutting through soft, dense materials with precision requires a fast-heating, reliable tool built for efficiency and safety. The BeamNova electric hot knife cutter is designed to meet this need, offering clean, smooth cuts on materials like sponge, cloth, foam, extruded board, and styrofoam. Operating at 110 volts with a power output of 100 watts, this cutter reaches temperatures up to 500 degrees Celsius, making it ideal for heavy-duty applications. It comes equipped with 4 durable blades and is packaged in a heavy-duty case for convenient transport and storage. Whether you're in construction, crafts, or packaging, the BeamNova hot knife delivers precise control and professional results. Its lightweight design and powerful heat capacity make it an essential tool for clean cuts without mess or fraying. When reliability and comfort matter, the INGCO Claw hammer delivers every time. Engineered for durability and control, it features a patented rubberized handle that provides a secure, ergonomic grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. The head is crafted from carbon steel using a precision forging process, ensuring long-lasting performance for even the toughest jobs. Whether you're driving nails during carpentry work or pulling them out in remodeling projects, this hammer stands up to the task. Manufactured under strict quality controls and fully compliant with DIN standards, the INGCO Claw hammer is built to perform with confidence. It's the perfect tool for professionals and DIYers who demand toughness, balance, and control in every swing. That's our list of 15 must-have handyman tools that bring power, precision, and serious performance to any job site or home workshop. Which one are you adding to your kit? Let us know in the comments below. If this video helped you discover a new favorite, hit that like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because we're dropping more tool reviews, DIY gear, and pro handyman picks every single week. Until next time, stay sharp, stay ready, and keep building smarter.